sí o. Ayé dorí kodò kò yé ni mọ́. Ibo là ń lọ ènìyàn ó sùn nìyẹn.
Benga. Benga, how are you? You not remember me?
You be mumu.
I don't know this place.
Benga, you don't know me. I go your house. They say you did side. I was some.
Where though?
Mr. Chibuzo,
Yes.
we contest for chairman that time.
Exactly.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
The pump here been waiting.
Ah.
Now so politician they be after. I remember that time, me and you, I be fast pass you.
You be mumu.
What's it called?
Anything.
Benga. Yes. You see what you do for me that time? I so much appreciate it. And I want me to do the same thing again for me.
Continue.
Make I come meet you this time. You know why? Because I want to become the next governor of the state.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, well they don't up and down. Okay, that only. They campaign.
Exactly.
When you say enter for local government.
Exactly.
Next governor.
Yes.
Continue.
No wahala.
See, just wait a minute. I have a surprise for you.
Okay. Oti wọlé. Oti jẹ́. Governor powder.
This is the gift I have for you.
Wetin happen?
Take it. Just take it.
Hey wo. Na money be this o. Mr. Chukwudi.
Benga, see, you see what you do for me that time? I want you to do the same thing for me, so that I will be the next governor of the state.
You be mumu.
Wait to that water wey you say you wan sing for us that time, our borehole, community borehole. You just sing am.
The rain was falling, so I felt like the rain would be enough to survive the community before, you know.
Okay. The road that I want to go road. Where you say you wan do, you don't do am.
Under construction, my brother.
You think say they wise?
Your pikin Chukwudi, when we gather dey go Leah primary school that year, I know say you go don graduate. Is it that dey Uniben or where e dey now?
No, excuse our bros.
Continue.
We dey here after I don campaign for you, and now you wan come still carry me, man still go campaign for you. May your pikin from overseas still go another overseas, me still dey here. Na here na dem don
This is
bury
your
me.
calling now.
Na my calling abi.
Yes.
70 years old man.
Mr. Chukwudi, wait o. You don become governor o.
Yes, I want to become the best governor.
No wahala.
Yes.
But wait, you know wetin go happen? Get some of my guys wey dey here. Omo, dem dey small police. You know police? Then you know say dem dey find you for this community.
Me?
After you enter finish, we see you for this community. Na kill dem wan kill you, no be say dem wan beat you. Dem wan just kill you. We work for there that time. We work. After you do, when you enter finish. After you enter finish, you comot abi.
That's why I gave you this gift.
Wait. You see this money where you give me, so now money where you dey owe me.
Ah yeah, man.
Come back.
Wait.
You that should be the give me my money. Give me my money.
Wait. Brukudi. Wait. Let go.
You have to.
Why are you running?